Okay, today we're going to introduce our new drying chamber. Let's take a look. In this chamber, we only have the dryer machine connected with the air duct, but there's no partition board, no big fan wall. A brand new drying chamber. Let's take a look. Inside, only with the air duct, there is no partition board, no big fan wall. Total with 540 pieces of trays, one stock with 13 trays, total with 18 stocks. And it can load around 1 to 2 tons products. So, will this big capacity products really can be dried evenly and dried well in this chamber? Of course, yes, because this is our special negative pressure design, and this is our patent. The chamber is very easy to install. It saves a lot of the labor cost. Let's take a look. Just one machine connect with the chamber. The operation of this machine is also very easy. We connect with the cable here with the control panel. We can set all the parameters from this control panel. This home page shows the drying temperature, the humidity, and during the drying, we can set the drying temperature, drying time, humidity in different stages. Then the machine gonna operate automatically. Okay, the water will come out from here, from this pipe, and we can use a container to load the water. Most important, this machine uses heat pump technology. It is for energy saving. It saves the electricity up to 75%. It can reduce the operation cost a lot. This is our standard design, but we can do customized. The quantity of the trays, the size of the chamber. Of course, the trays can change to stainless steel, 3 or 4. Also, the materials of the chamber, we can do customized. Okay, now we're gonna make a real test to prove if the products can be dried well and evenly. These are the products we plan to dry. We have lemon, carrot, pumpkin, papaya, tomato, and other vegetables. Besides the traditional stainless steel trays, this plastic is also an option. It is food grade and can bear the high temperature of 120. And also it is very easy to handle. At the bottom, we use a small trolley. Then we put the trays on the top, one by one. Okay. After load all the things, you can get a higher layer, so very easy to put inside of the chamber. Of course, for the unload, it is also very easy. You take out the small trolleys and get out of the trays. Okay, now let's load the products and make the tasting. Okay, in order to testing the drying evening thing, we put the materials in different corners. Here, on the top, at the middle, and the bottom. Left, the same, top, middle, and bottom. Okay, this is the bottom side. We put 3 stocks. Okay, for the back side, we put the materials. So now, for this front, near to the door, we also put the same products. Top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom. So then we can check the drying evening things. Okay, now we're gonna close the door. Okay, now we start the machine. Okay, now the drying finished. Let's see how the miracle happens. Contact with us if any need. We will make the best solution for you.